Okay, let's start. Section 6.3 exercise. Problem 6. What we should do? Determine whether the equation represents an exponential function. Exponent. Of course, this is not. It's linear, right? Yeah, but I'll see how you explain on it. Because for an exponential b greater than 0 and not equal to 1, -6 and x should be located at the place of exponent, right? Yeah, so another key thing to judge it is exponential function is not linear, but this is linear. Okay, anyway. Then 12. So linear or exponential. So you think it's what do you mean yes? Yes for what? So yes is linear or yes is exponential?
It's exponential.
Yeah. So you need to make it clear. Yes, exponential. Because as x goes up by 1, y is multiplied by 2. Okay. Yeah. Or basically means for fixed x, for fixed difference of x, there is multiple a common ratio for y, right? For example, here common ratio is 2. Okay, 18. Evaluate. Oh, okay. So 0.5 actually means 2 2 exponent of -1. Now -3 together is 2 cube, right? So equal to this. Okay, good. Then 24. Match the function with its graph. 24, where is 24? Do you mean you don't have idea? Okay, let me tell you how to do this. Or even let's go bigger. Yeah, find some key points on this graph. Then go to check if a graph not pass through this point, then means it's not an answer, right? So for example, if D is not, A is not, B is not, then of course D is the answer, right? So the key thing is how you can find some points or even its key points on this function. Can you find someone? Yeah, when x equal to which value, the corresponding y equal to what kind of value? Okay, yeah, for example, x equal to 1. then y equal to what? Are you sure x equal to 1, y equal to 4? Oh, actually, you mean -4, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. As we mentioned in past, let it go like this. Don't do like this, right? Okay. Anyway, then could you say which option not pass through this point? Then you just this pass or not pass.
And that one passes.
Anyway, 1 -4 means it's possible, right? So this is not possible. So kick it. This is not possible. Kick it. This is not possible. Kick it, right? Hmm. So the correct answer is D. Hmm. Okay, yeah, this is the way. So I'll let you do one more. So, yeah, as you mentioned, D is for problem 24, right? Now, can you do 21? Which graph matches the function 21? Okay, so don't say you cannot make it. Say yes to yourself. Okay, anyway, let's go next. So problem 30 means you didn't do it, right? Or you just show you need help. Let me say graph. Compare the graph to the graph of the parent function. Describe the domain and range. So 30. Yeah, I do this because I think I will use decimals. Yeah, anyway, let me say graph. Okay, the problem is here. The requirement is here, right? The first thing is to graph this function. How will you do it? Yeah, find some point, especially the key points. So that being said, this is not a nice point, right? Okay, but anyway, let's try to mark it. Okay, you already did it. Let me say, yeah, here is one. Okay, kind of. And you'd better find some nice point. Means they are on the grade. Uh, and of course, try to find the important points or even the most important points. Think about what they are. What kind of points are very important? Yeah, let me give you a hint. How about y-intercept? Okay, anyway, so this is 1 point you already marked. Then when x equal to 0, y equal to what? Yeah. Okay, this is an important point I mentioned because we call it y-intercept, right? Yeah, okay, you already marked 1.5. Okay, we'll find one more point at this area. Second quadrant. And it's better, it's a nice point, means both the x and y are whole number. Can you find this kind of a point? Yeah, found one.
Here. Okay.
No, I mean find one more point in second quadrant, means in this area. Now you just get 2 points, we need one more. Yeah, when x equal to -2. But 24 is too big, right? So why not just choose x equal to -1? If x is -1, so it's 6. Yeah, mark it. Okay. Yeah, if we connect them, then, right, like this. Yeah, now use decimals. Help us to draw it. Y equal to 1.5, then x power. Yeah, here is 0.25, right? Okay, now let's say compare. Okay, we will not compare. Describe the domain and range. Could you tell the domain and range? Yeah, this function domain is what? Range is what?
The domain would be
Yeah, domain is okay. Okay, you keep going. What's this mean? 0 plus 0 minus 1.
It's 0 to 0.
What? 0 to 0? 0 to -1. Do you mean this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, actually, no. For example, can x be 2? Do you think x can be 2? Of course,
Yeah.
right? Can x be -10? Of
Yeah.
course. Yeah, so it's not just between -1 and 2. Even it's -1 to 2, you should write -1 first. Anyway, let me tell you, the domain is all real number. That being said, from -infinity to infinity, right? You cannot find a value which cannot be the x's value. That means x can take any value. Then how about range? You think the range is greater than or equal to 0?
No.
Okay, let me tell you. Actually, it cannot be 0. Yeah, cannot. Just the x greater than 0. That being said, from 0 to infinity. Yeah, you cannot find the value of x to net function value equal to 0. You can try. Yeah, but I know you think x 0 is possible. Maybe you look at this graph. You think, oh, this go to 0, right? You think this go to 0, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but actually, it doesn't go to 0 if we enlarge it. Anyway, you screenshot this first. Yeah, let me know when you're done. You done?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, actually this not go to 0. You see, right? Or even here you see, correct? It's not go to 0. So it's very, very close to y equal to 0. But they never reach 0. That being said, for the basic exponential function, for example, yeah, whatever value x take, this always greater than 0. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you need to become familiar with this step by step. Okay, 30, now 36. Again, graph, then find the domain and range. What's this mean?
I got lost, I think.
Yeah, so the requirements for 36 is here. Same as problem 30. Let me see. Compare. Oh, we do 30 just now. It's the same thing graph. Then describe the domain and range, right? Yeah, anyway, it's not means evaluate. maybe you go this way. For example, here is 36. You go here. Oh, requirements is here, but here mentioned is exercise 15 to 20. Right? Even you say this, you should doubt it. This is problem 36. Why here just requirements for 15 and 20? You should have a question mark there, right? Mm. Yeah. Anyway, this means be careful. So for this, you just go to graph. Okay, as it's very similar to problem 30, we'll skip this. Now go to 46. Find the error. Do you mean you don't find the error? You don't find any mistake?
Repeated.
So describe and correct the error in finding the domain and range of the function. Domain is all real number, and the range is y less than 0.
Would it be that?
Yeah.
Not 0.
Yeah, this time you are correct. Yeah, but let's talk more here. Let me have yeah, how about I just keep this means, oh, now this is correct. Yeah. So, yeah, correct. But I want to mention, looks like you just guess it's y less than -1, right? But maybe you don't know it so exactly. So the basic thing is this. First, you should know 0.5x. This is the exponential function, right? So it's greater than 0. So first, you should have this basic knowledge. Then if both sides multiply negative, right? Then negative of this go to less than 0, correct? How we make it? Just both sides multiply -1. You say 0 times -1 go to 0. But this side multiply, you have a negative in the front. As it's negative, both sides multiply negative number, then you should reverse, right? Yeah, anyway, then both sides -1. Yeah, so -1. Then you get negative 0.5 x power -1 less than -1. Yeah, so this is just this, right? Correct? Now you can find the function value less than -1. Yeah, it's knowledge related to inequality, not just by guess. Okay, please screenshot.
Okay.
Then 48. The exercise 47 to 50. Write an exponential function represented by the table or graph. Yeah, we talked about 48. Yeah, so this is good. You assume the basic form of exponential function, right? Then you go to solve, find the exact value of a and b. Then you get the specific function. Let me know how you do it. No, I don't think here is good. For example, you get x equal to 0.2. Then why suddenly b go to 0.2? Do you know my point? You get x equal to this. Then how you say b equal to this? All right? Mm. So the right thing is, for example, this means a point, right? Yeah, let me have a small whiteboard. So when x is 0, y is negative 50. Yeah, can you do it again? So here is not correct. But the first step is correct. After first step is not correct. But now can you do it? That means that when x is 0, y is negative 50. Yeah, that's it. This equal to what? Do you have idea? Yeah, if b is not 0, yeah. You say you get it yourself. That means that this equal to what? b zero's power equal to 1. Yeah, keep going to simplify. Can you? Of course it's a, right? Because b zero's power is 1. 1 times a just a. That means a equal to negative 50, right? Okay, keep going to find b. Yeah, then this go to y equal to negative 50. Yeah, because a equal to this. Then b x power, right? Yeah, keep going to find b. Yeah, you can write over here. Yeah, so this is actually good. Means you learned this and remembered it. From a knowledge point from section 6.1 or 6.2. Anyway, keep going to find b. Why you have this?
I got this from here.
From where? No. Here is negative 50 bx. Yeah, I cannot understand why you from this, how you can get this.
I moved
Mm?
50 over here.
Okay, here has something wrong. You say, for example, if we take it as y equal to 2x, then you mean you move 2 to another side. Or if it's negative 2, you mean then you have y plus 2 equal to x. Do you mean this?
Oh, okay.
No, you cannot do. If, let me tell you, uh, only if it's negative 2 plus x, you say this is two term, right? X is a term, negative 2 is a term, then you can move it to another side. But here it's different. Here we call x is a coefficient of 2, of x, right? It's not a term. It's a factor in this term, so you cannot move it. Yeah, that means, for example, 2 apple equal to 6 pound. Then you quickly mean, oh, a is a 2 go to next side. It's negative 2. Then a go to 4. Right? It's like this. Do you think a is 4? If a is 4, a time 2 go to 8. How it can equal to 6, right? That being said, this is an illegal operation. Mm. Mm. Yeah, anyway, don't feel frustrated or discouraged. It's a good try. And it's a good thing to find what is legal operation, what is illegal operation, right? Yeah, like you need to identify what is food, what is not food, what can eat, what cannot eat, right? Mm. Anyway, can you erase here?
Sure.
Yeah, just this, just erase this. Now, let me give you another hint. This is the function, right? Of course, all these points satisfy this function. So use another point. Where do you use first point? Use another point. Of course, the more nice, the better, right? I mean, the point is more nice, then it's better. So which point you wanna use? They all satisfy this function. Okay, could you try uh per my hand? Yeah, why is suddenly go to -10? It means when x is 1, y equal to -10. Right? And another is y always right here. Here is narrow. Here has a wide space. So y always right over there. Mm. Okay, so yeah, to save time, let me show you. It means when x is 1, y equal to -10, correct? Okay, please solve this to find b. You see, here is a place for x. Here is a place for y. Yeah, anyway, keep going. Yeah, this is not good. Use your question mark. Hold. Okay, something wrong. Think about it. Something wrong. Why something wrong? We mentioned it just now. 2 apple equal to 6. Then you mean, oh, a equal to 6 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because 2 come to this side is -2. We mentioned this is illegal, right? Why is illegal?
Because of
Yeah, 50 or -50 is coefficient of b. That means that it's multiply b. Not plus, if it's plus b, yeah, it can go to another side. But here is multiply. Like 2a, 2 multiply a, it's not 2 plus a, right? Mm. Okay. Yeah, but it's good we found this kind of illegal operation. Then in the starting from now, you avoid this kind of illegal operation. Okay, I'll say what you get. You get 0. Yeah, this time is good. Then b equal to what? This just means b, right? So b is 0.2. Okay, finally, could you write this exponential function in this circle, in this big circle? Is your final answer? No, I don't mean you write b equal to 0.2 again. You write this exponential function uh, and use it as your final answer, right? If this is example, uh, the teacher evaluate your result by final answer. Normally, if the final answer is correct, he or she maybe not check any step, just means, oh, give her full score. But if the final answer is wrong, maybe he or she will check from which step the mistake happened. Then, yeah, keep going. A equal to what? You need to mention the value of A.
Okay.
Okay, give you a hint. It looks like this, and B has the exact value instead of as a variable. So copy this, but give B exact value. Copy this, copy this. Except B, give B exact value. Okay, yeah, keep going. Yeah, this time it's correct. But sometimes maybe we give the 0.2 parentheses to make sure people know, oh, the base is just 0.2, right? Not including negative 50, right? Mm. Yeah, but it's not a must. Uh, a guy with correct math knowledge should know the base is just 0.2. Anyway, please screenshot. You done?
Okay.
Mm. Oh, by the way, how about the problems in chapter 1 test? You know, we redo it, right? After redo it, I give you more commands. Then suppose you need to redo it. Means have a new turn to do it per commands from me. Uh, yeah. So because now we just have one class each week, I suppose you can find some time to do it again. All right. Especially for the problem with concerns. Mm. Okay. Anyway, let's keep going. Oh, this is the last one. Good to see. Make an argument. How about this? Yeah, I just want it to go big. Make an argument. Your friend say that the table represents an exponential function because y is multiplied by a constant factor. Or like a common ratio, right? Because y is multiple. Is your friend correct? X? No, because x is not increasing consistently. Mm, what's the word consistently mean? Can you explain
It
it?
just continues in that pattern.
Mm,
So if
but I think it's increasing constantly. You say from 0 to 1, this is increase. 1 to 3 is increase. 3 to 6 is increase. Right? So I would like think it's consistent. Yeah, but I'm not so good in this words or in language if compared to you. How about let's find it in dictionary? Yeah, either English explain. Come on. Oh, here should mean no. Yeah, how about we use English dictionary to explain this? Let me find one. consistently mean a definition. In every case or on every occasionally invariably. In a fair and impartial way. Oh, come on. Is marked by harmony regularly or steadily free from. Yeah, anyway, I just think it's not so precise, right? Not so accurate, this word. Maybe we can find the example from this section. Yeah. Find an example. Let me see. Yeah, we'll see how the example use this kind of word. Let me see if we have a chance. By the way, here see, let us see which example. Come on. Consistent factor. Anyway, here is no related example, but let me check. Increase faster than. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can find. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe we can find something from here. As the independent variable x changes by a constant amount, the dependent variable y is multiplied by a constant factor, which means consecutive y value form a constant ratio, right? Yeah, so if we talk about the independent variable, we should use this description. The x changes by a constant amount. So I think this is accurate. All right. Yeah, so anyway, for problem 54, you should mention, no, yeah, this is a conclusion. Because the variable or the independent variable x doesn't change by a constant amount, right? When there is a y has a constant factor, x doesn't has a constant change amount. Anyway, I think consistent is too general. All right. Okay, so mention for question 54. Useful. Okay. Yeah, you can screenshot this.
Okay.
Yeah, we have several minutes left. 56. We don't have problem 60. Let me see. We don't have. Is this true? Hey. Okay, yeah. Let me say, okay, we can close this window. No. Write the percent as a decimal. Suppose it's not so hard. Can you do this? Problem 60. How about 66? Yeah, multiple of 6. Okay, good. Now let's talk about the homework. Chapter 6. Yeah, we'll still find the problem from here. HW, today's date. Yeah, last day of this month. Section 6.3, right? Then how about the Q from 21 to 63, then multiple of 7, right? That means that 21, 28, 35, until go to 63. Then another is, let me mention, another is redo. Chapter 1 test. But not all of them, just, hold. Yeah, just questions with issues, right? Yeah, please do it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.